Let's get started, my beginner friends. We'll start with a simple side stretch. Make sure to reach as far as you can, almost trying to elongate your limbs. Come up and switch to the other side. We're going to reach back and try to touch as far down the back of our legs as we can while keeping your legs straight. Finished. Now reach forward and try to touch the ground and make sure you keep your legs straight. We're going to sit in straddle with one leg bent and try to touch our foot. The goal is to have a flat back laying on top of your leg. Come on up and switch to the other side. Don't worry if you aren't as far in these stretches as you like to be, because you will be. Just come back to stretch with me often, and together we will become more flexible. Now we will do the seal stretch 3 times, holding each for 10 seconds. The goal is to straighten your arms and push up, reaching to the sky. Be sure to breathe and stay calm. Now go down, and then slowly push back up. Go down. Now come back up, and this time we'll bend our legs and try to touch our toes to our head in this last seal stretch. Grab your ankles and push up and over to the right. Time's up. Come on out of the stretch. For this next stretch, we'll reach back and grab our ankles. If you can't reach your ankles, just dangle there and keep trying to reach for your ankles until the time's up. Release. We will now go into downward dog and pedal 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push forward and under into this position. Make sure your legs doesn't touch the ground. Use your feet and hands to keep you up in the air. This position also serves as a great strengthening exercise. We're going to go up and down the wall 3 times, and each time you reach the bottom, go into a bridge. If you can't do a bridge yet, just stop as low as you can go on the wall and come back up. Start walking your hands up the wall. Now walk your hands back down. Begin walking your hands back up again. For this last bridge, I want you to try to push your chest against the wall, but if you can't do this, just do a regular bridge. Start walking your hands back up the wall. Now I just want you to bend over and just really stretch out your back. You will do this exercise 3 times. Each time you do it, I want you to try to lower your hands down your leg. Lowering your hands down your leg will help get your chest higher, and that is the ultimate goal. And push back up into that position. You can even try rocking back and forth. Release. Push back into that position one last time. And release. Let my voice guide you with these next stretches. Up, down, up, down. Lastly, we'll do this little bridge combination. If you can't do a bridge, just try to push up as much as you can and hold it for at least 5 seconds. Don't become frustrated if you don't have your bridge yet. Just remember, I can and I will with hard work. End of story. Now bring your feet together and push your butt towards the floor. Come on down and take a few deep breaths. We'll now go into our bridge once more, holding it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on down. Pat yourself on the back for finishing this routine. You've already made great progress today. Just think of how much further you'll go tomorrow.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.